Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see how to create VPC network in Google Cloud Computing. So let me just log on to the portal and take it from there. Okay, so there are two types of network. You can either be creating an auto mode network. Auto mode networks create a one subnet in each Google Cloud region automatically when we create the network. As new regions becomes available, new subnet in those regions are automatically added to the auto mode network. And one is the custom mode network. In custom mode network, we have to create a VPC network, we have to create a network, create the subnets in the region, and we may not define the subnets for all the regions right away, but if there would be no subnet, we'll not be able to create the instances. And we can create the VPC network using the console, G Cloud, or API. For this video, let's do with the console. Let's go ahead and click on create a VPC network. Let's enter the name. They should be lowercase. Test Assert VPC. This is the name of the network. So we can go with the description if you have an option, or if you want to. Let's go with the custom option. And in the name is permanent. So you are creating a subnet in your VPC network now. Subnet would allow us to create our own private cloud topology within Google Cloud. If you want to go with the automatic to create a subnet in each region, or to custom to define the subnets. Let's test other subnet region. Let's select the region here. So this would be in, let's say, Asia South 1. Now the IP address range. This is the primary IP range for the subnet. If you want to define a secondary, you can do it. Let's go with the example what they have given, 10/9. If you want to create a secondary IP range, name it and then create a secondary IP range as well. So if you put private Google access, what it does, choose whether to enable choose whether to enable private Google access for the subnet when you create it or later by editing it. I'm not going to do it as of now. It says set whether VMs in this subnet can access Google services without assigning external IP addresses. You can edit it later as well. I'm leaving it off as of now. Flow logs. If you want to enable flow logs, you can do it. If you do not want to enable flow logs, your wish. If you want to add a subnet, so we created a subnet, you want to add a secondary range here, you can do it. If you want to add a subnet within this VPC network, you can do it as well. And go with the dynamic routing for the VPC network. And no server policy. I'm not defining any server policy as of now. Click on creating the VPC network. The notification tab is going on. It is still creating. So let me pause the video and come back when it is done. This is done. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to search it. Here is my VPC. Click on it. And you can add, remove any options that you want within the VPC. If you want to edit it, click on edit and make the changes. If you want to delete it, click on delete. If you want to see the information, you can hide it. You can go back to the VPC networks. So this is how we created it. If you don't want to get charged, don't forget to delete the VPC network as soon as you're done with your lab. And I see you guys in the next video. If you have any queries, please mention them in the comment section, and if you have time, let's meet in the next video. Thank you.